Now I'll show you a great tool to see how your website looks on different screen sizes, so on different devices. If you want to find out how it looks and how it performs on different devices, this is a great site to test it. Ready.mobile, and simply paste in your URL and click go. Okay, so we've got results. So we can see how the website looks on the laptop, how it looks on the mobile phones, and obviously on low-tier phones. So you can see that is it responsive? Does it have any of those kind of content blocking pop-ups or blocking top bars, so you can work on, as you can see, this particular phone, well, this website is not particularly mobile friendly on those smaller phones, but not many people use them to be fair. However, as you can see, only small part of the website is visible. And you can also scroll down within the screen to see how the website looks like. So obviously it's on a laptop. Let's see on the bigger phone, so high tier phone, we can close it. So obviously it looks super nice. It displays everything quite nicely. It's very user friendly. Linkable text is also quite big. Buttons are big, obviously for to use with the finger. So this is really nice, and the links are nicely displayed as well. Now let's see the same thing on a smaller screen. Also looks very good. Looks almost the same. Okay. Obviously, this one is not the best, but as I mentioned, not many people use this kind of phones. And we've got additional information. If you want it, you can send it to your website developer, who will be able to help you and to work on these areas to make your website more responsive.